Yeah, every single Friday I make the same thing. But okay, it's working. Yeah. So, hi everyone. Everyone in chat, chat on YouTube, on Twitter, Twitch. Sorry, guys. Um, yeah, I'm here on our Friday with you, and today for live chatting. My name is Camila, and today we will be talking to a seasoned developer who came across Meteor some years ago and found on our Meteor framework a solution for his issue when he was graduating. So, welcome, Phillipe. Can you
Hi.
talk a little bit about yourself?
Okay.
Hello,
So,
Ian.
hello.
Hello.
Hello. My name is Phillipe Martins. I'm a software engineer with 10 years, 12 years working with web technologies in educational, marketing, financial, and gaming fields. And I'm also a community lover, so I try to use my free time to create content and build a community for Brazilian professionals aspiring to work in the front end field. That's it. Oh,
It's
cool.
oh, Ian say I use it feature for my master's project. It's a cool thing.
Yes.
So, Felipe, how have you found Meteor to use it in this project?
Okay. Uh, I started my career as a full stack developer working with PHP, MySQL, and these web technologies 10 years ago. But after, in some point, I started to build some games using ActionScript 3. And I spent uh, 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 a very good time of my career building games with ActionScript. But after that, in some point of the in the past, HTML5 appeared, and I had to make a migration to this new tech. And in that time, um, we phaser game engines like phaser, like other web game engines don't existed. So I had to build my own game engine. And in some point of my graduation, I had the idea to uh, to use this project like my as my TCC. My trabalho de conclusão de curso, né?
Yeah,
TCC.
it's like in the final of graduation in college here in Brazil, we have this project college trabalho de conclusão de curso. It's like in all these years, we have 4 or 5 years of college. We need to make this project, and he talking about this project, and but with I think in the other countries is different because or we do or do something like little projects in the extensive of the college, or you do something like a small project, but in the final of the college. But it's the same thing, I think. But okay, you can continue.
Okay. So
Just context.
yes. So I turn this personal project to my TCC, my graduation project, and in some point of this project, my coordinator said, "Oh, why not turn this project in a research project? Because with that, I can we can get uh, some financial help for you just work in this project." And I believe that would be also cool if this project have a UI, a user interface.
And
And
do you bring something to show to us?
oh yes, yes, but in my coordinator said that, and in that point, I was also studying about collaborative tools, how they function, how they work, and my coordinator said, okay, so why not make a UI where a lot of developers could work in the same game, in the same project. So I started to research about for tools to make this project real. And in some point, I found a course from University of London. Let me share my screen with you because I
This is a course of.
yes.
Oh, that's nice.
Let me share. Uh, Wait a minute. Um, okay, let me. Okay, yes, I did this course. This is a course at a specialization from University of London, and in this course, I had my first contact with Meteor. So I started to create some collaborative tools like Google Docs clones, some collaborative drawing websites, and a lot of cool projects in this specialization. And I started to think, oh, I believe that this is a very good tool to make my research project, because uh, one thing that I saw in that time is that reactivity was a first class passenger in Meteor. So using Meteor, I didn't have to care about how to make everything uh, connect every user inside the project, and every Meteor makes it easier for me.
That's
So
really nice. So it's do you remember the year of you make this course?
yes, 2014. Yes,
Oh,
2014. Yes,
it's past 10 years. That's pretty
yes,
nice. Uh-huh.
yes. I used Meteor 1.0.1, if I remember well. Yeah.
Oh, okay. and you decide to use because the reactivity and this solve your this first of the your issue, right?
Yes, yes. In that time, React was not so popular. To have my first contact with React just some years after I started my this project, and I remember to use a tool from Meteor called handlebars, I think, maybe something like that, to use this reactivity. So and this makes everything easier. I don't have to care so much how to handle reactivity, how to handle multiple users and all that. Of course, I had to understand and create ways to to use to send data from one user to another user, and I remember to use a lot of internal features, some features from Meteor, but uh, you know, was everything in there. I didn't have to create anything. I use a lot of Meteor features in that time, like PubSub, the MongoDB integration, and all that.
So can you describe more what about this project?
Yes,
So
yes, yes. I in the end of the project, I published an article in sorry, uh, I don't remember how they call it, mas in a event called SB Games. It's a great, big event here in Brazil, uh, focused on game research, game dev research, game industry, and all that. And that time, I created interface. This is the MVP of the project. So here, the user could create new games and share games with other users, and also fork some games. So you inside the project, you see someone with a very good project, you can fork that project for you for your account. So here, this is just a MVP picture. So the user can create new games, uh, see some games that was shared with him, and when you create a new game, you can specify some initial config of this project, like the name of the game, description, width of the screen, and eight, and also the frame rate of the game. So the game started in that time with 30 FPS, but you can put like some 60, or I don't know. And this is the UI of the game engine. And here, this is the interface. You can share the link with another users, and they will see the same interface that you are seeing. And when they make any change any change in the project, this change reflects in your project. Something like Google Docs or something like that. You can have a lot of developers working in the same project. So you can specify, create predefinições that today we call it. Game.
Predefinitions, I think.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
But today we call it game objects, right?
Oh,
So
okay.
you can create objects with some scripts attached to these game objects, and everything that a 2D game engine can do. So and I built a game with that, but that's it. Do you have?
So, do you have a positive experience with some cutting edge using Meteor back then? I think it is this
Yes, the
reactivity.
yes, the reactivity, because I used a lot of Meteor features at that time to create how to handle with how to create a package with the updates from a user and send the updates for another user, and how to work with the PubSub features, the reactivity features, because when a user moves a game object, for example, uh, I, I I use some Meteor features in that time to update the back end, and I had all the users in that project listen, waiting updates, and receiving these updates. And with that, I use some user interfaces to update all the parameters that the users are seeing. So this was something very easy to do using Meteor. I didn't have uh, so much problems to create that. I believe that if I was if I created it.
Oh, I can
Uh, yes,
it's
yes,
here.
yes.
Really
if
nice
I
photo.
yes, if I was making that from scratch, probably I will spend a lot of time doing that. So Meteor helped me to create these collaborative features and to achieve these results. Probably I will struggle. I I will I would have some problems without Meteor.
And about usability, did you run into some issue when having four people? You told me that have four people
Yes,
code
yes.
at the same time.
We we make a test uh, uh, with four developers working in the same project, and I remember that we didn't have any problem with that. Was everything runs okay in that time. I didn't have any problem with performance or something like that.
And how Meteor facilitates the usage of game engine? Can you
Oh,
describe it, or what did you what you did?
Yes, I I use this image explaining what I did. It is in Portuguese, but basically the user makes some action in the interface. Uh, I created some packages with this data. I send this data to the server, to the running uh, where Meteor take care of that information, and the server save it the packages and send these packages for the other users. So and the with the other users received these packages and update the interface. All this logic was handled by Meteor. I only, of course, I had to create the package logic and all that, but uh, I only could do that because of the Meteor features, like reactivity, like the bug sub features, and all that.
Uh,
Oh, this is
oh, I will
oh,
ask this.
yeah,
What is this image?
yes.
The other, this one.
This one image from the game that we made using the Meteor interface, the Meteor that was created with Meteor, and this is the game running on multiple devices, different devices. So here you have uh, PC, iPad, other mobile devices, different mobile devices, and the user uh, create all the game using this interface, uh, and after uh, the user could build the game. So I created a function, and with this function, I create a package with all the logic, all the assets, everything, and also the game engine logic, all that, and you can publish this project, get this game project in different places like websites, some stores in that time. So any place that accept HTML5 web game.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So I remember we talked about yesterday. I think the code you don't get it or you don't have anymore,
Yeah.
but you, I think the game was running
Yes, yes. I
was
published.
running or not
Yes, yes.
was on air. I think is the correct way.
Yeah.
Oh,
The game is already on internet.
oh
Uh,
God, it's pretty cool. It's cute.
I will just remove the sound. Sorry. So this is the game. Uh,
But the back end was made all using Meteor or part using Meteor.
no, I did all
Just
the
the game engine.
no the I did the interface backend using
Okay,
Meteor, but in the end, the final package with the game is only the game engine and the all the logic that the user built using the game engine interface.
Okay.
So I used Meteor to create uh, this interface, all the this interface to create the collaborative features, the reactivity, to create this game engine works using collaborative features like Google Docs, for example. Everyone can open the same project and see what's happened, what everything everyone is doing, uh, and what one user do reflects on the other another user's screen. You know. So and this is the final project. This is a platform game.
Here's
So
our CEO. Hi, Fred.
oh, hi. So
It
you
is a
can,
cute game.
yeah,
It's pretty cool.
you also have some
Oh, that's
right
pretty
place.
nice.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
and I really like I, I I love this project, and I have uh, I'm I'm very was I had a pretty good time working with Meteor because Meteor uh, made this possible. So was pretty cool,
A good thing to
pretty
hear.
cool project.
It's
And
like nostalgic.
yes, yes, and also because after that I did a master degree. Most because this project I published some articles, and I win international prize because of this game with this game. So was pretty cool. Yeah. So
So you
that's it.
want to how can I remake this game or remake the part of the backend using Meteor?
Yeah.
You can
Today.
use Meteor 3.
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah, yeah, yeah. This is a possibility. Yes, because today the game engine project, only the core of the game engine is on my GitHub. But I really have the intention to make interface again in the future. So there is a big possibility to use Meteor, of course.
That's pretty nice. It's a real cool thing to remake and use
Yeah,
Meteor 3 because we have some new features and will be some more easier to use.
yeah. I
Because
saw.
I mean, you use Meteor 1,
Yes,
and
yes,
now we go into Meteor 3.
yes,
So why not? Think
yeah.
about it.
Yes,
Think about it
of
and
course.
think with love, okay? Think with heart.
Yes, of course, of course. The let me see. Um, oh, sorry. Yeah, this is the core game engine. But
Oh, okay.
yeah, today this is only the this is the game engine without the user interface. But this is something that I really want to go back in the future and try to create this user interface again because was a pretty good time working in this project, and I saw that you will release Meteor 3 in the next weeks, right? So, or next
Yeah.
months, I don't know. So yeah, uh, this is a possibility, of course.
So,
That's it.
what else? I think chat from YouTube or Twitch have any questions or comments to presentate, improve, or someone else. I don't know. So it's a pretty fine project, and you spent some months to make it, right?
Yes,
You start in 2014
yes.
and
Mhm.
finish.
I
Um,
I I I make the presentation. I think so. My I yeah. I think I presentate. I made the presentation on 2017. So 3 years.
previous,
Yes, working on this project.
yeah, it's a such.
It was a yeah.
It's, yeah, it's more time. Yeah, it's yeah. Okay, bastante coisa. Sorry, guys.
Yeah.
But okay, let me see. What more else made you decide to use our framework? It's just about the how can I use the reliability
Yes,
around.
most I saw the when they launch this course, and I remembered that in the trailer, the course trailer, they that in that trailer they show some collaborative tools like these some Google Docs clone, a drawer collaborative draw tool, some a lot of collaborative tools, and I decided to make this course. And when I started to work with Meteor, I was pretty easy. Was I didn't have a problem to understand the Meteor workflow, how to work with different Meteor features, like in that time, like reactivity, PubSub, how Meteor work with MongoDB. I also I remember to to use a lot of packages from Atmosphere. I remember to download a lot of packages there from there, and I spent some time on the Meteor forum too, but more like a lurker, just reading some things. I confess that I didn't interact with people in that time, but I remember to read a lot of things in the forums in Stack Overflow too, and I spend a lot of time uh, struggle and trying to understand and studying and make my own fights and to make everything runs smooth and well. So it was a pretty cool uh, a pretty cool journey.
I think I have no more questions. So, mm, you have more
This
quotes
Fred,
or I don't know. Um,
he's is he the Meteor CEO?
yeah,
Oh,
their CEO,
congratulations! Yeah, congratulations.
their CEO. I think on Slack community, if you guys have any questions, but I think will be late or not. And I have the chat will be send questions or I don't know. Chat have some questions or can send some interactive time. That's it. Do you have some fun fact about this project?
Oh yes, but it's just a Brazilian fun fact because
Go
the
on.
yeah,
We can try to explain.
yeah, because the code name of this project was Meteor da Paixão. So
Oh, I remember
yeah,
you talking.
yeah,
Yeah.
I spent a lot of time building this project with using this name, Meteor da Paixão. So, but in the end, I changed the name.
Yeah, I
But,
remember.
uh,
Uh, you put this meteor da paixão. It's like meteor of love because here in Brazil, a long time ago, we have music called Meteoro da Paixão. It's
yeah,
like meteor of love, and the artist Lua Santana, and it's everyone sings this song.
yes.
And that's it. It's a fun fact. That's it.
For Brazilian people, I don't know. This name Meteor is something.
Every day I open my desktop and I saw Meteor. I think this, but I
Yeah,
tried not to think.
yes,
It's not health, but okay.
yes,
I tried not to think.
yes, it's
But
impossible.
it's a cool thing because it's a cool thing and it's a good thing because
Yes, yes,
it's represented love
yeah,
and
yes,
that's it. It's justice.
yes, 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 and it's impossible to see this name and not think about it.
Yeah, but that's okay.
The song is very famous, so even if you don't like country music,
Country music,
you,
yeah.
yes, you already heard the song.
I have
So
one more question about the science article.
okay, I used uh, this. I used free assets, but I also created integration with S3 from Amazon, and the user could the developer uh, could upload his assets, and I get these assets, submit them for S3 bucket, and after that the user could work with his own assets. So this is a default asset. This is a default asset that came with the first project, but the user could create new projects using his own assets like PNG images, JPEG images, different sounds formats like MP3, uh, the double AV, WAV sounds, and different formats. So yeah, I created a Amazon integration to handle to store these assets.
And if you made one new article about this project, what about the subject you will use? Like the topic, the main topic you will write about it.
I believe about these collaboration features because how I created them. Because I don't in this article I don't think that I really um I don't li- I could explore this subject more. So probably write more about these collaborative features. But if I I create this project again, probably yes, probably I I will write more about collaborative things.
More about this collaborative topic.
Yes, how I create this, how I share the data with different users, how I keep all the screens updated, how I use Meteor to do that. Yeah, yeah,
And
probably.
you think it is interesting to compare the in the um, how can I say this, in the oh god, how can I say the epoch? I don't
Age.
I don't know how to say this, but when you make this with Meteor One, you think it's validate to put the compare using Meteor One and Meteor, Meteor 2.2.15 in your article?
Yes, probably. To be honest, I don't know the difference right now, but probably this is something that I could do, or maybe compare with Meteor 3. I
Yeah.
don't know. Yeah. But yes, probably because in that time when I did this project, I used Meteor 1.0.1. Yes.
Oh, okay.
So because
I asking. Oh, you
it
can go on.
was only 2 years after Meteor launch, if I remember well.
Okay. I'm asking this because it's a cool thing you writing an article and make a collab because you get the like the almost the launch of the Meteor, and you remember the to use this reactive things, and it's a pretty cool thing.
Yeah.
And make and put these examples and put these images and this part of this project and that you made it. the pretty cool thing and the interesting thing. Make
Yes.
this article. Think with your heart, please.
Yes, 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 of course, of course. I believe that maybe trying to integrate Meteor with Electron. I don't know if you know Electron is something to create um, desktop applications
No,
using web
I don't
technologies.
hear about it.
Yeah, so I believe that maybe using Electron to to encapsulate
Mm.
this interface and create a desktop application with that. I believe that sounds very good to me.
That's pretty cool. Interesting thing. So, um, let me close here. Felipe, I'm glad you so much to stay here with you. You share your GitHub or not? Sorry.
Uh, I don't think so, but yeah, it is. I don't know. This is my GitHub. So in casa dev. I don't know how to say that in English. I believe that there is
It's the
no.
same in Casa Dev.
Yeah. Yes.
You can translate some things.
Yes. So that's it. Ah, you have a game here too. So
Oh,
uh,
cool.
yeah, and that's it.
Okay. I'm glad so much to participate today in your live.
Thanks.
And you can please think with your heart to make this article and make a collab with us.
Okay.
And
Okay.
we make this project because it's a really cool thing. And to make this creativity with nature and the futures, it's a really cool thing. Please
Okay.
think with your heart.
Okay. Okay. I will.
Okay,
I will. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks
guys,
for
thank you
everyone.
so much. And today the live is a little bit short because the topic is this. This is more objective, and I think that's it. You can follow us on our socials using the command social in Twitch chat. I think I can active it here in Streamlab, but you can active here in Twitch channel. I don't open, but okay, you can open. That's it, and that's it. The live for today, and bye bye. See you in the
Bye
next
bye.
live.
Bye.